To a developing story involving new allegations against Governor Cuomo tonight. This time, it surrounds getting people prioritized for COVID testing.
Reports say the administration gave special treatment to family members and power brokers to get tests when nobody else could. Governor Cuomo always emphasized the importance of testing for the coronavirus, even getting tested himself on television. But during the early days of the pandemic, when tests were hard to come by for the average person, the Albany Times-Union reports that the governor arranged for members of his family and other well-connected people to be tested, and top state doctors and health officials were sent to their homes to do it. They were said to include the governor's mother, Matilda, and his brother, CNN anchor Chris Cuomo, who was tested at his Hamptons house. The younger Cuomo was diagnosed with COVID in late March of 2020, and the governor often would appear on his show.
This is going to be fine. You're going to get through it.
Those tested also included Rick Cotton, executive director of the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, as well as Pat Foy, the head of the MTA. In a statement, a spokesperson for the governor denied preferential treatment, saying, "We should avoid insincere efforts to rewrite the past." The statement also said that in the early days of the pandemic, we were absolutely going above and beyond to get people testing, including in some instances going to people's homes in places like New Rochelle. And the statement goes on to say, among those we assisted were members of the general public, including legislators, reporters, state workers, and their families who feared they had contracted the virus and had the capability to further spread it. Now, state troopers, National Guardsmen, and public health nurses were also said to be involved in doing the testing and transporting of samples.